Hi everyone, this is Valerie speaking, and in this video, I'll be sharing to you guys an overview of what click intensity is and how it works. Okay? So click intensity is an advertising platform wherein katulad po siya ni Google at saka ni Facebook. Wherein we pay these companies to advertise. Yun nga lang, ang big difference here with click intensity is that we don't just pay to advertise. We also get paid through what we call yung revenue share program. Okay? So, what does revenue mean naman po? Ito po yung net income. Wherein, diba, in any business or in any company, they make and spend money every day to keep the business running. So, whatever is left, yun po yung tinatawag po nating revenue. Okay? Talking about the system naman po, here are the simple facts. It is impossible not to make money here with click intensity. Why? Because 100% of our members make money daily, conditional syempre kapag finalo niya yung system. Okay? So, hindi po ako nanghahype, wala rin po itong pressure and no disappointment. Kasi, totoo po siya. Wherein, ito po yung nagustuhan ko, we're earning passive income even without referring others. So, ang pag-refer po dito or pag-sponsor na tao is optional. Okay? So, it only requires 10 minutes activity per day. And kahit hindi po kayo masyadong techie, 'di ba? You have your sponsors naman po to guide you. Okay? So overall, the system is simple and easy wherein anyone can do it. Kailangan lang po talaga nating pag-aralan yung negosyo. Madali lang po siya. If you do Facebook, if you play a game, kayang-kaya nyo rin po itong gawin. Okay? So here are the 5 simple ways to get paid naman po. By completing daily task wherein meron pong tasks available for everyone wherein kapag ginawa po natin ito, we earn from that. And at the same time, yung sinabi ko earlier, yung revenue share, wherein we're earning daily from this one, plus if you referred someone into the system, you also get paid. Hindi lang po sa kanila, kung hindi up to your 7th level, depending on your qualification. Plus, back-end sales naman po, the company has different kinds of products when it comes to advertising. So, whatever po na-purchase ng mga members natin, we also get paid from that. Okay? Or we get commissions from them. Okay? So, how does the system work naman po? First is to start with a free account. Okay? So, libre naman po ang mag-register. Ang maganda rin po dito is that pwede naman po natin pag-aralan muna yung negosyo before paying anything to the company. So, everything you need to know about the company or click intensity is already inside the terms of service, downloadables, video presentation, and trainings. So, it's all inside. Now, we're in. Yung system na rin po ang magtuturo sa lahat ng members kung paano po siya ginagawa. Plus, yung mga sponsors are also there to guide you. Sabi ko nga. Okay? So, dito, to register an account naman po, all you have to do is go back to your sponsor or the person who shared this opportunity to you para makapag-register po kayo. Kasi every member has their own referral links. Okay? So, let's say for example, napag-aralan nyo na yung negosyo, naintindihan nyo na, the next step is to purchase ito pong tinatawag nating silver pack. So, as I said earlier, the company has different kinds of products wherein itong silver packs po kasi na ito po yung may kasamang revenue share program. Okay? So, upon purchasing silver packs, all you have to do is complete daily task which is viewing 10 ads per day. Okay? So, isang upuan lang naman po siya na mag-view po tayo ng 10 ads, 10 seconds per ad. So, talagang less than 10 minutes activity per day po siya. And then, pwede na po tayong mag-log out wherein our account starts earning revenue shares every 30 minutes, 48 times a day. So, kahit ano pong ginagawa natin during the day, kahit tulog po tayo, kahit gaano po tayo ka-busy, we're earning from the revenue share every 30 minutes. Okay? So, magkano naman po ang isang silver pack? One silver pack is equivalent to $25 or sabihin na natin in peso, let's say for example, 50 pesos naman po ang pag-buy natin ng dollar is around 1,250 pesos or less. Okay? So, what do we get in return for purchasing silver packs? One silver pack is equivalent to 1,000 silver coins wherein ito po yung ginagamit natin to advertise. Okay? So, yan po yung kapalit ng pera natin plus you get paid until your $25 becomes 30. And then it expires. So, ito na po yung limit, okay? We paid $25 para makapag-advertise po tayo. Gagawin lang po natin yung daily task of clicking 10 ads a day. Then we earn every 30 minutes 48 times a day hanggang sa ibalik po sa atin ng company is $30. So that is 120% revenue share profit. So kahit sabihin na natin puhunan natin is yung 100%, 20% profit. Not bad, 'di ba? So the timeline for PAX expiry to $30 is not fixed. So sabi ko nga, we're dealing with revenue shares. Every day, sales can sometimes go up, sales can go down. So our earnings will always depend on kung ano yung na-compute na revenue for that day. Okay? And that is every 30 minutes. Okay? So, average naman po, we're earning out of that 120%, we're earning 1 to 2% per day. So, it will take us about 60 to 120 days para mabalik po sa atin is yung full na $30. Okay? Yan. Here's the tip naman po for this kind of system is that you buy as many silver packs as you can. So, kayo pong bahala kung ilan po ang start nyo. So, the strategy is, no matter what number you start with, all you have to do is to click your daily task. Click your ads every day. And then, every time you earn or accumulate $25, you repurchase. Okay, repurchase lang po tayo ng repurchase kahit po nag-expire yung iba. Continue lang po natin yan until we hit the magic number of 4,000. So, yung 4,000 kasi, yun na po yung maximum. Ito yung ultimate goal natin. And then sabi dyan, upon hitting 4,000 packs and then maintain it. So, sabi ko, syempre, before I really got all into this business, ano naman ang makukuha nating members in return if we do this? 'Di ba? So, ito naman po, this is just for computation purposes. So, hindi po siya fixed, sabi ko nga. Pero at least we have an idea. So, from this computation naman po, I'm basing it on a 2% per day earnings. So, ibig sabihin, we're earning average 50 cents per day per silver pack. Okay? So, let's say for example, ang $1 is 50 pesos upon purchasing. Tapos, pag mag-withdraw naman po tayo is 45 pesos. Okay? So, if we're earning 2% per day, that will take approximately 60 days for one cycle. Okay? One cycle na, kumbaga, from $25 na nag-purchase tayo until may balik po sa atin ng company ng buo na $30 for that pack. Okay? So, let's say for example, we purchase 4,000 packs. That is worth $100,000 or in peso, around 5 million pesos. Okay? In approximately 60 days or one cycle, ang balik po sa atin ng company total is $120,000. Okay? So, every day po, we're earning average $2,000 per day. Hanggang sa 60th day, naipon po natin is $120,000. Okay? So, sabi kasi maintain it. So, wag na po natin isipin yung mini-maintain natin na worth $100,000. Ang tignan lang po natin is yung profit. So, in one cycle, okay, sa puhunan po natin na $100,000, ang kita po natin for 2 months time is $20,000 or 900,000 pesos. Okay? So, not bad naman po para sa 5 million na i-maintain po natin dito sa CI and we just do our daily task of clicking 10 ads a day, we're earning passive income. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ito naman yung income na pwede po nating i-spend. We have enough money to spend and we have enough money to maintain our accounts. Okay? Kasi nga, di ba, nag-expire yung mga packs. So, let's say for example, after 60 days, nag-expire yung 4,000, we buy another 4,000 packs. Ganun po siya. So, looking at the profit alone in one cycle, we're earning $20,000 per day. So, in 1 year, let's say for example, makaka 6 cycles tayo. So, $20,000 times 6 is $120,000. So, kung titignan nyo, namuhunan tayo ng $100,000, minaintain po natin in a year dito po sa CI. we earn $120,000 on top of our $100,000. Okay? So, sabihin na natin in peso, kahit average 1 to 2%, yung 5 million worth po natin of money, minentain po natin dito in CI, we're earning average 200 to 400,000 pesos a month. Passive income. 'Di ba? So, not bad. Next year, sabihin na natin, another year, i-maintain po ulit natin, we earn another $120,000 in a year. Or $60,000 to $120,000 a year. So, not bad pa rin. Wherein, yung worth naman po ng 4,000 packs mo, pwede mo naman pong i-withdraw din. Okay? So, this is not an investment kasi kayo po may hawak ng account nyo. It's up to you if you want to withdraw it or you want to buy packs again. Ganun po siya. Okay? So, it's up to you on how you handle your own business. Okay? So, dito naman po, hindi naman po natin lahat kaya ang 4,000 packs. So, dito ko po mapapatunayan naman po sa inyo wherein whatever number of packs you start with, lahat po tayo makaka-reach po dito sa 4,000 packs. Okay? So, ito rin po naman po is based on yung CI income calculator which is earning 2% per day. Okay? So, let's say for example, you started with 20 packs. That is worth $500 or in peso, around 25,000 pesos. We're earning daily income of average more or less $10 per day. So, sabihin na natin in approximately 2.5 days or 3 days, after 3 days, makaka-repurchase po na naman tayo ng another pack. Okay? So, ganun po yung strategy. Repurchase until you hit 4,000. Wala po munang withdrawal. Okay? Pero ito optional ha. Yan. So, from 20, ang ginagawa lang po natin, mag-click lang ng 10 ads daily and then repurchase every time we earn or accumulate $25. In approximately 6 months time, marireach po natin yung 100 packs. Okay? So, continue lang po natin yung strategy wherein to repurchase lagi, no withdrawal muna. From 20 packs, makaka-reach po tayo ng 1,000 packs in approximately 1 year, 7 months time. Okay? And then, konting tiis na lang na pag-click and repurchase, sa puhunan lang po natin na 25K, hindi na po tayo nagdagdag. Ang ginawa lang po natin is mag-compound ng earnings natin. So, unlike po sa utang po natin sa bangko, di ba ang kino-compound nila interest na utang. Dito, we're compounding our earnings. Okay? So, from 25K, may hit po natin ang 4,000 packs in approximately 2 years, 2 months time. Wherein sabi ko nga, pag na-hit po natin yung 4,000 packs, that's worth around 5 million. We're earning average 200 to 400,000 passive income per month. Okay? Imagine sa puhunan lang po natin na 25K na magbibigay sa atin ng income natin na around 200 to 400,000. Diba? So, dito, the higher the number of packs you start with, the faster you reach your goal. Okay? So, let's say, for example, you start with 50. Ang worth po nun is $1,250 or in peso, 62,500. Dito po sa 50, we're earning average $25 a day. So, ibig sabihin, every day nakaka-repurchase po tayo ng another pack. Okay? So, maganda nun, every day may activity po tayo upon clicking our 10 ads daily. Hindi po ganun katagal mag-antay para makaipon po tayo ng $25. Okay? So, from 50 to 100, it will take us average 36 days. From 50, worth 62,500 to 1,000, it will take, and from 50 again to 4,000 packs of repurchasing lang and no withdrawal, it will take us less than 2 years para mahit po yung 4,000 packs. So, not bad na we're in saan pong bangko kayo makakakita na nag-maintain po kayo ng 62,500 na pwede po kayong bigyan ng passive income ng 200 to 400,000 monthly income. Kahit sabihin na natin after 2 years time. Okay? So, dito, ito yung pinaka-highly recommended. The closer to 100, the better. Okay? So, if you have purchased 100 packs, that's worth $2,500 naman po or 125K. Okay, so not bad for a business talaga itong amount na to. We're earning average $50 per day. So ibig sabihin, nahaka 1 to 2 packs a day na repurchase tayo. Okay, so mas mabilis po tayo makakapag-build. Okay, so from 100 to 1,000 packs, it will take us only approximately 10 months time. Tapos konting tiis lang po, 1 year, 6 months time na pag-click-click lang po ng 10 ads and repurchasing, may hit na po natin yung 4,000 packs wherein pwede na po tayo mag-withdraw na walang konsensya. Okay? So, sa puhunan na 125K, after 2 years, pwede na po tayo mag-withdraw around 200 to 400,000 a month. Not bad, di ba? So, ganun din po dito sa 500 and 1,000. Again, the faster you reach your goal. Okay? So, dito naman po, it's optional kung gusto nyo ma-hit yung 4,000 packs or kahit 1,000 packs lang. So, again, it's up to you. All you have to do is talk with your sponsor para pag-usapan nyo po yung strategy for yourself. Okay? So, ito naman po tinatanong din ng iba. Let's say, for example, hindi nga po, optional po ang mag-refer, pero, ano ang benefit din po natin as members pag tayo naman po nag-refer? Diba? So, dito, let's say, for example, wala pa po kayo na-purchase na silver pack. So, as a free member, for every person that you referred na nag-purchase po, you get 5% commission from them. Okay? But, if you have at least 1 pack active, you're considered a 1-star member, you get 10% commissions from your first level. Ibig po sabihin, yung directly sponsored members ninyo. Okay? So, let's say for example, you hit naman po yung 100 packs. Ito active. Magkaiba po yung all-time and active. So, this is based on the active silver packs. So, once you hit 100 active silver packs, you're considered a 2-star member. You also get 1% on your second generation. Okay? Itong second generation, ito naman po yung first gen ng directly sponsored members nyo. Okay? So, upon hitting 200 packs naman po, you're considered a 3-star member. You get 0.5% on your third generation. So, ganun po up to your 7th level. Kapag na-hit nyo naman po yung 4,000 packs, you get 2% on your second level. Ganun po siya. Okay? So, not bad kasi kahit papano, sinashare din po sa atin up to our 7th level. Pero syempre, depende po pa rin po sa qualification po natin. Okay? So, ito, magkaiba pong type of income, itong from referrals natin, ito yung tinatawag nating active income. Yung revenue share, yun naman po yung tinatawag nating passive income. Okay? Ayan. So, again, the system is simple and easy. And here's the disclaimer. Okay? So, we at CI do not make any claim as to how much money you will or can make. Your success with CI depends solely on your own effort and your ability to use the system correctly. CI is not liable for your success or lack thereof. We at CI have every confidence that you can be successful. However, to what degree depends on you alone. Okay? So, dito, kumbaga, yung system nandyan na, nakalatag na, it's up to you nga lang kung paano nyo po siya i-maximize. Okay? So, whatever decision you make or whatever effort you put into CI is equal to your result. Ganun po siya. So, hindi po pare-parehas po ang mga members when it comes to their results. Okay? So, lagi po namin sinasabi, results not typical kasi magkakaiba po tayo ng action na tinake. So, some start with 2 packs, some start with 4. Yung iba nag-start ng 100, 200. Nasa sa inyo po kung paano nyo po i-take yung system. Okay? So, if I were you, try to get in touch with your sponsor para i-guide ko po kayo kung ano po yung magandang gawin. Ayan. So, take your free spot now. And to guide you naman po on how to start with Click Intensity, first is to ask for your sponsor's referral link. So, we have different types of referral links. So, depende po kung ano pong isend sa inyo ng sponsor nyo. You have to click yung button that says subscribe now. Yes, I want free account. Ganyan. Yung mga ganyan. Okay? And then, lalabas na, pagka-click nyo po yung mga buttons na yon, lalabas na po yung initial form, wherein you have to make sure na tama po yung username po ng sponsor nyo or yung name nila. Okay? And then, that's the time you type in your email address. Ito po kailangan active na email. Plus, ito dito po, ang ilalagay nyo is yung password nyo na po dito sa Click Intensity. And then, you click the next button. Okay? So, upon clicking yung next button, lalabas na po yung isa pang form wherein dito na po ninyo ilalagay yung other details like your full name, your mobile number, your address. Ganun po siya. Okay? So, upon filling it out, the next thing to do is to click yung sign up button, yung green dyan. Okay? So, after that, lalabas na po yung message na to wherein you have to log into your email and check for your inbox. Okay, and look at the message that was sent by CI, and it says email verification. So, kailangan po verified din po yung email address para makapag-login tayo. So, kapag nalagpasan nyo po itong step na to, hindi nyo po siya ginawa, hindi pa rin po kayo makakapag-login sa Click Intensity. Okay? So, kailangan nyo pong hanapin yung email verification na message and then click this link. Dalawa po dyan, pwede yung click here and then ito pong link na ito. So, upon clicking that link, lalabas na po yung login page ng Click Intensity. So, all you have to do is to type in your email and your password. So, makaka-login na kayo. And then, ganito na po yung itsura ng dashboard nyo. Okay? So, the very first thing to do as a new member here in Click Intensity is to go po dito sa dashboard walkthrough wherein ito na po yung magtuturo sa inyo kung ano yung step by step na gagawin nyo po dito sa Click Intensity. Okay? So, para naman po maintindihan nyo maigi yung negosyo, you can click here po sa Click Intensity Presentations wherein meron din pong Tagalog presentation and English presentation plus downloadables or files when it comes to the compensation plan and the concept presentation. Okay? And the last thing to do is to join yung corporate group naman po natin. This is the international group na po of Click Intensity wherein dito nyo na po makikita yung transparency ng company. Every member are sharing their results, whatever their concerns, sinashare din po nila dito. Wherein at least meron po kayo nakikitang interaction among members with Click Intensity and that is worldwide. Okay? So, if you have any further questions or concerns naman po with this system, just go back with your sponsor or the person who has shared this opportunity to you. Okay? So again, this is Valerie speaking and hope to see you on the other side. Okay? So, bye-bye!